Users have complained to Jeff that the views in the sales.nsf database are taking a long time to open. Which one of the following notes? Any parameters can he modify to increase the view buffer size and improve performance? Option A. Buffer size equals. Option B. Buffer pool size equals. Option C. Nst buffer pool size equals. Option D. NSF underscore buffer underscore pool underscore size equals. The correct answer is option D. Which one of the following might enter a notes user lose in the process of recreating his notes.ini file? Option A. Tasks. Option B. User ID. Option C. Profile documents image. D. Environment variables. The correct answer is option D. A database has been handed off for deployment on server A. If Freya has author access to that database, which one of the following must be included to allow her to modify the documents that she created? Option A. Nothing. Option B. Authors field. Option C. Readers field image. D. Editors field. The correct answer is option B. Question 45. There is a database with many attachments. Which one of the following replication settings will limit the attachments that are replicated to the salespeople's laptops? Option A. Receive summary and 40 kilobytes of rich text only on the server replica. Option B. Receive summary and 40 kilobytes of raw text only on each of the workstation's replicas. Option C. Replicate a subset of documents and choose the view that does not display the attachments in the server replica. Option D. Replicate a subset of documents and choose the view that does not display the attachments in the workstation replica. The correct answer is option B.